beep. And we're off. Watch out down here in 2. All right, William, I'm pretty sure somehow you've gotten that thing turned back up. Watch out up here in 2.
3 minutes left.
1 down, 3 to go. Watch out down there in 4, guys. Turn 4. All right, you got Clayton, Rick, Domino, Zach, William.
2 minutes left.
Race number 6, you should be ready to go. Race number 6, Midwest Modifieds. Watch out, guys, on the front straight, front straight.
One minute left.
3 down, 1 to go.
"45 seconds left. "30 seconds left. "15 seconds left.
All right, you got Clayton, Zach, Rick, Domino. William, you have quit reading. Finish your lap.
All drivers are finished.
Clayton, Zach, Rick, and Domino.
The race is completed.